Hello, welcome to my channel. My dear friends, my name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CHF US dollar Swiss franc for 9th April 2021. So this analysis is for 9th April Friday only. You will be seeing me next week again with the analysis for the coming week. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of US dollar Swiss franc. Okay, and as you can see right now, market fell big time. Okay, there was huge selling pressure from this particular point and market almost came down to this particular point right now. So what we should do now? So let me zoom out the chart to show you the overall trend of the market, and as you can see, overall trend of the market is very much bullish. I have already discussed this in my previous videos that USD CHF is in very much bullish trend, and when market was falling in my previous video like yesterday and day before yesterday, I told you that market has good support at this level. So if you remember correctly, then I told you that there is a good opportunity to grab US dollar Swiss franc right now. And if you have watched my previous video, then hopefully you have grabbed USD CHF and you are in a profit right now. Now let me switch to the 4 hours time, sorry, weekly time frame. Okay, look, weekly time frame and see the bigger picture. In the weekly time frame also we can see that after making a shooting star pattern in the weekly chart previous week, market has formed a shooting star pattern. Therefore there was some price rejection from above. As a result, we are seeing a red candle. Okay, red candle this week. Okay, as of now we can see that support, the next available support on the weekly chart is quite far away. This is the next available support on the weekly chart. So this is the next available support on the weekly chart. Okay, and as you can see on the 4 hours chart, we can see that market has taken support at this level previously. Okay, you just concentrate on this pink color line. If you want, then I can change the size. Okay, you can see that this pink color line market has support. Okay, therefore this is also a good opportunity to buy right now, but there is a catch here. I would like to show you one thing here. Instead of just focusing on the support or resistance and just chart patterns, you must understand the market psychology also, because understanding the market psychology is very crucial. Okay, let me take out the pencil, change the color to blue. Okay, see, if market would have come to this particular position under normal circumstances, okay, then it would have been a great position to buy right away. But market was very much bullish. Okay, market was very much bullish, and if you just concentrate on this particular position, okay, no need to look here, no need to look at this side, just focus on this side. Okay, just focus here. Don't you think the selling pressure is too high? Sellers are very much dominant. They are extremely dominating. Okay, they are very much dominating the market. As a result, market may fail. Okay, as a result, market may fail to provide support to the market. Okay, because see, support, okay, support and resistances are not something permanent. Okay, they are like wooden floors. So this is a wooden floor, so wooden floors are not permanent. They may break also. As a result, if the selling pressure is too high, this level will not be able to provide support. Okay, if you are in a position right now, if you have already purchased, then go on. Okay, be on the trade. As long as market is trading above this line, you are in profit and you do not need to worry. Okay, but if you are looking for fresh position, okay, just try to understand. If you're looking for fresh position, just wait for a couple of time, because you can see the stochastic RSI is almost going to the overbought zone. Okay, it is in overbought zone. So market is not having much volatility here. Why not volatility? Okay, the main reason behind is that, see, if there suppose there are 100 traders in the market right now, okay, and looking at this particular sell off from this particular level, okay, just try to understand my words here. Okay, from this particular sell off, if there are total 100 traders are there in the market right now, 75 traders are on the selling side. Okay, 75 traders are selling, whereas only 25 traders are buying. The number of bulls are much less in comparison to the number of bears. As a result, we are not seeing much volatility here in the support also. Therefore, to be on the safer side, if you are already in a buying position, be on it. Okay, and if you are looking for fresh position, wait for the market to get volatile. Okay, wait for the market to make some good moves or wait for the market to come down to the stochastic RSI, to the oversold zone again. When stochastic RSI, see, if market stays in this particular range only, then stochastic RSI will be in the oversold zone. Just look at the position of the price. If you see that market is trading above this level and in this particular range only, you can go for a buy order again. As of now, this is the only opportunity here. Okay, and in case market falls, okay, in case market falls or crosses this particular level, okay, this particular level, then there is a possibility that this black line will provide support to the market, because as I have already shown you in the weekly chart, the market has support in this level. So this is the support one. This pink line is the support one. 0.9223 is the support one, and this black line is the support two. As of now, market is taking support at the pink line or 0.9223 level. Let's hope. And as of now, market is not having any proper volatility or required volatility. Let's wait for some time. Okay, let's wait for some time. And if you do not see any volatility, wait for the market or stochastic RSI to come to the oversold zone. Look at the position of the price. If you still find a market above the line, pink line, go for it. Okay. In case market crosses the level, hopefully this level will provide the required support, this black line. Okay. So today is Friday, anyways the volatility will be a little bit lower in comparison to the other days of the week. So let's see. So hopefully you have understood the analysis, and if you liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you next week. Bye bye.